welcome to our bustling city, friends. Look at these powerful machines waking up to start their very important work today.
Is that a giant green monster eating rocks? It must be hungry for breakfast.
Not quite, silly! That is a green excavator. It is carefully lifting heavy stones to help build our city's new foundation.
Oh, I see. It drops the stones into the orange truck like a giant game of catch. I bet that truck gets very heavy, very fast.
Exactly right. The excavator works with such steady precision, ensuring every rock is placed exactly where it needs to be. The load is finally complete. With a full belly of stone, that orange truck is ready to roll out and deliver its cargo.
Look at it go! It zooms down the street like a professional delivery driver on a mission.
Our city never sleeps. Now, the cement mixer and the red road roller join the team, keeping everything moving smoothly.
Wow, look at them all go. It is like a big construction parade.
It truly is a symphony of engineering. Every machine plays its part to make our city a wonderful place to live. What a productive day in the city! Thanks for joining us on this building adventure. See you next time, everyone! Look up at the sky! That isn't a normal cloud, is it? It's a massive craft distant over the city.
Whoa! Is that a giant space disco ball? I think it wants to dance, but it's making a huge mess down there.
It's not a disco, silly. It's time for a rebuild. See those machines? The yellow excavator and orange dump truck are working hard to clear the debris. They are like a powerful team. The excavator has a giant claw to scoop up all those heavy concrete blocks.
I bet that excavator is the strongest athlete on the team. Look at it carefully, place those heavy pillars.
Precision is key. The excavator moves with such steady, rhythmic grace, ensuring every piece fits perfectly into the truck's bed. With the final pillar set, the structure begins to take shape. The hard work is really paying off now. Here comes the concrete mixer. It's ready to pour the foundation for the new city building. It's like the final piece of the puzzle. Amazing! From the chaos of the crash to this beautiful new beginning, teamwork truly builds the future.
See you next time.
Look at that magnificent steam train chugging through the desert. It is a beautiful machine, isn't it?
I bet it's going super fast to win a race against the wind. Choo-choo, here comes the speed demon.
Actually, it's just maintaining a steady pace, but oh no. Look at that bridge ahead. Something isn't right. Oh my goodness. The tracks are gone. The train is plummeting right into the canyon. That is a disaster.
Maybe it's just practicing its diving skills? Just kidding. That looks really serious.
Help has arrived. Our red tow truck and yellow excavator are here to start the rescue operation.
I love the yellow one. It looks like a giant mechanical hand. They are going to need a lot of strength for this.
Teamwork is essential here. The excavator stabilizes the wreckage while the tow truck carefully pulls upward.
They are lifting it inch by inch. It is like watching a very heavy, very slow dance. Keep going, guys.
Success! With a final heave, the steam train is back on the tracks. That was incredible precision.
Phew, I was worried the wheels wouldn't align. That tow truck is definitely the hero of the day.
The work isn't finished yet. Now, the green excavator and the cement mixer arrive to repair the bridge. They are pouring fresh concrete to seal the gap. It is fascinating to see how quickly they rebuild the path. And just like that, the bridge is whole again. It just goes to show that with the right tools and a bit of cooperation, we can fix almost anything. What a great ending! Look at these magnificent yellow giants digging deep into the earth to prepare the ground.
Are they looking for buried treasure? I bet they find a pirate chest down there.
not exactly silly. They are clearing debris to make room for a new building foundation. Watch how the claw grips those heavy blocks. It takes immense strength to move them with such precision.
I think the truck is getting hungry. It's waiting patiently for its heavy load of rocks.
It is a perfectly synchronized dance. One machine clears the path while the other prepares the cargo. The rhythm is steady now. Move, lift, and drop. The work proceeds with mechanical grace. The site is transformed, and the job is nearly complete. These machines show us that with teamwork, even the heaviest tasks become possible. Great work today, everyone! Oh my! Look at that big yellow dump truck cruising along. Wait, watch out! Oh no! It has tumbled right into that deep hole in the road.
Is it a giant pothole? Maybe the truck is just trying to take a nap. Don't worry, here comes the red tow truck to save the day.
It is not a nap, silly. It is a serious situation, but help has arrived. See the purple flatbed and the powerful excavator joining the mission? The excavator is moving into position with such precision. It is using its massive claw to gently grip the frame of the trapped dump truck. Look how carefully it lifts the weight upward, defying gravity with every movement. Steady as she goes. That excavator is a master of balance. It is lowering the dump truck perfectly onto the back of the waiting flatbed trailer. Teamwork makes the dream work, wouldn't you say?
What?
Now the purple flatbed begins its journey. It is driving slowly and carefully to make sure its heavy cargo stays safe while heading toward the garage. Inside the workshop, the real magic happens. They are tightening bolts and fixing the frame. And look, the dump truck is good as new. What a fantastic repair job. I knew they could do it. The trucks are honking their horns in celebration. It is wonderful to see them back in action, ready to hit the road again. Until next time, keep exploring! Welcome everyone to our peaceful farm. Today, we have a very special visitor arriving to help us with our work.
Whoa, did you see that? A bear driving a truck. I bet he's delivering pizza to the cows.
Actually, he is not delivering pizza, dear friend. That truck is loaded with precious grain seeds, and he is carefully maneuvering toward the fields. Watch closely now as the magical moment begins. The sack lifts, ready to share its bounty with the earth. Look at those seeds fall! It's like a golden rain. He's planting the rows so perfectly, just like a professional farmer. And just like magic, tiny green sprouts are reaching up toward the sunlight. They are growing so fast.
But wait, what is that loud clanking machine? Is it a giant metal dinosaur digging for buried treasure?
Not quite silly. That is an excavator. It is drilling deep into the ground to find fresh water hidden beneath the soil. A stone well. Now our plants will never go thirsty. See how the water sparkles as it sprinkles over the young leaves? It is the perfect drink for a growing garden. Look at those vibrant chili peppers! Our hard-working bear friend has helped turn this field into a bountiful harvest. Nature is truly amazing, and we are so glad you joined us on the farm today. Look at that quiet cyan forklift resting under the apple tree. It seems like even the hardest workers need a little nap sometimes.
Wait, is it sleeping because it's broken? Maybe it ran out of juice.
Not at all. It's just recharging. Now look at them move. It's time for some heavy lifting.
Whoa! That little forklift is stronger than it looks, picking up those logs with ease.
Teamwork makes the dream work. When the yellow and cyan machines work together, they clear the site in no time.
Here comes the big blue dump truck. It looks like it's ready to haul everything away.
Precision is key here. Watch how efficiently they load those logs. Every piece finds its perfect place in the truck bed. Job well done! The truck is full and heading off to the next adventure. What a fantastic day of progress for our mechanical friends. The city wakes under a clear, bright sky, pulsing with the steady rhythm of urban life.
Look, is that a giant red toy racing down the road? Maybe it's going to a birthday party.
Not quite, my friend. That is a fire truck, and the sudden darkening clouds suggest it has much more urgent business today.
The rain is really coming down now. The streets are turning into rivers. Should that truck be driving through all that water?
Safety is their priority. The crew navigates the rising tide with extreme caution, checking the depth of the flooded road. It's a tough job, but someone has to make sure the city stays safe while the storm rages on. They've stopped near the park. It looks like the storm has brought down some debris that is blocking the way.
Oh, here comes the heavy machinery! That green excavator looks like it's ready to do some serious heavy lifting.
Precisely. The excavator acts as a powerful surgeon, carefully clearing the blocked storm drain to let the trapped water flow away. With the drain finally clear, the water recedes, restoring peace to the street. It is a wonderful reminder of how human ingenuity and teamwork help us overcome nature's greatest challenges. Look at that sturdy yellow bulldozer pushing forward through the rising floodwaters. It doesn't seem bothered by the wet road at all.
I bet it's trying to swim. Do bulldozers know how to do the backstroke, maybe?
Not quite, silly. It's built for heavy work, not swimming. See how it clears the path for the orange excavator arriving now? Wow, look at that blue dump truck. It's hauling a massive load of concrete barriers. They're like giant building blocks for the road. It's a construction ballet. The excavator is reaching out with its powerful arm to grab those heavy barriers with such precision. I could watch that mechanical arm move all day. It's like watching a giant robot build a fort, but for cars. The team is working together perfectly. Each concrete piece is placed with care, creating a safe wall to hold back the water and protect the road. And there it is! The final barrier is set. The bulldozer, the truck, and the excavator have done a fantastic job restoring order to the flooded path. What a great display of teamwork today! Look at that bright red tractor chugging along. It looks like it is off on a very important mission today.
I bet it is racing to the finish line of a tractor marathon. Vroom, vroom, look at it go!
Actually, it is heading to the farm to help with the harvest. See that windmill spinning in the distance?
Oh, check out that giant yellow machine! Is that a robot getting ready to play a game of catch?
Not quite. That is an excavator, and it is hard at work helping the blue truck get the farm ready. Watch how carefully it moves its arm. It is preparing to gather the fresh crops grown right here in the field. Precision is key. It is picking those big, juicy red tomatoes without squishing a single one.
Wow, that is a heavy lift! It is moving the harvest over to the train tracks. Are we going for a ride?
Yes, the steam train is here to carry all these delicious vegetables to the market. Listen to that rhythmic chuffing sound. Teamwork makes the dream work. The excavator is loading the cars perfectly while the train waits patiently.
I could watch this all day. It is like a well-choreographed dance between the machine and the tracks.
Everything is loaded, and the train is ready to depart. It has been such a busy and productive day on the farm. Off it goes on a new adventure. Thanks for joining us on the farm today, everyone. Look closely, everyone! The road is full of heavy building materials today, creating a tricky path for our mechanical friends.
Hey, is that a finish line? Maybe they're all racing to see who gets to the construction site first.
Not exactly a race, my friend, but a very important mission. That green tractor and the sturdy dump trucks are heading out to start their hard day's work.
1, go!
Watch how carefully they maneuver. Navigating around those obstacles requires a lot of precision, even for such powerful machines.
I bet the red truck is the fastest one, though. Look at those wheels go!
They are steady and focused, pushing forward together toward their destination. It's truly wonderful to see such teamwork in motion. We hope you enjoyed watching these mighty machines tackle the road today. Until next time. Look at that! A massive helicopter is flying in heavy equipment. It's like a giant metal bird carrying a construction crew into the wilderness.
Wait! Is it dropping a giant sandbox, Maya? Are we going to play with remote-controlled trucks?
Not quite, Leo. Those are real, heavy-duty machines. They are arriving to build something incredible from the ground up. The engines roar to life as the team unloads. Precision and teamwork are everything in a place like this. Watch how the machines clear the landscape. They move with such purpose, turning a wild forest into a clean, open stage for our project.
I bet they are digging a moat! Every good house needs a moat to keep the dragons away, right?
Haha, not today, Leo. They are digging a foundation trench to ensure the house stays perfectly level and stable. Steady as she goes. The earth is being sculpted by iron and steel. It is fascinating to see how they prepare the land for a solid base. The site is perfectly prepared now. Every inch is measured and leveled, leaving no room for error before the structure rises. Now, the real magic happens. The vehicles move into their final positions, ready to assemble the frame of our new home. And there it stands. A beautiful home built from nothing but hard work and teamwork. It's amazing what we can achieve when we build together. See you next time! Rain is pouring down on our little heart-shaped garden. Those poor tomato plants are getting quite a soaking, aren't they?
Oh man, it looks like a swimming pool. Are the tomatoes trying to learn how to scuba dive?
Not quite, silly. But thankfully, the storm is passing, and the water is finally beginning to recede from the soil. Wait, is that a bear? He looks very concerned about his garden. I think he's checking to see if his snack survived the flood.
He looks relieved. The plants are still standing tall.
The farm team is arriving just in time with a specialized truck to help clear out the remaining moisture. That hose is working like a giant straw, sipping up all the leftover puddles so the garden stays healthy. Now the heavy machinery moves in to harvest the crop efficiently before any more rain can return. It is a successful rescue mission for our tomato friends. From a rainy flood to a bountiful harvest, nature and hard work always find a way. What a wonderful day on the farm! Look at that giant machine rise! It is heading up to the maintenance bay for a serious tune-up.
I bet it's going to the moon, right? Wait, they are taking the bucket off. Maybe it's becoming a giant spoon.
Not quite, silly. It is undergoing precision maintenance. Removing those massive tires is essential to check the axles. Now it is descending slowly. It is like a heavy metal dance, don't you think? They are carefully disassembling the arms assembly now. Every bolt and gear must be perfectly aligned for the machine to work. Victory! The repairs are complete and the machine is ready for action. What a spectacular job! Welcome to the island, explorers. Today we are watching a massive construction project come to life right before our eyes.
Look at that big excavator. Is he trying to eat those giant concrete pipes for lunch?
Not quite silly. He is carefully loading them onto the truck so they can be moved to the water's edge for the foundation. The truck arrives at the shore, and now the real heavy lifting begins as they prepare to build deep into the water. Watch how the excavator systematically places each pipe. It's like building a giant puzzle piece by piece under the surface.
Those pipes are going to be the bridge pilings. They have to be super strong to hold everything up.
Exactly right. With the piling secure, they place a flat platform on top, creating a solid base for our future structure.
Now the green excavator is digging a hole. Maybe they're looking for buried treasure?
I think they are preparing the foundation for something even more impressive. Not treasure hunting this time. The cement mixer is moving in now, pouring thick concrete to fill the gap. That will set as hard as a rock.
Look at that yellow drill. It's boring holes right through the platform to finish the surface details.
Precision is key here. Every hole is placed perfectly to ensure everything is stable and ready for the final touches. And just like that, the construction site has transformed into a beautiful lounge. What an incredible transformation to witness! Look closely, everyone. Our blue road roller friend is moving onto the lift. It's time for a very special upgrade.
Whoa! Is he going to fly? Maybe he's getting rocket boosters installed next to that yellow friend of his.
Not quite, silly. We are watching a precision mechanical service. Every bolt and gear is being checked to ensure everything works perfectly.
Check that out. Those giant mechanical arms are clicking right into place on the front.
Exactly. Those arms are the secret to his new strength. He is being transformed into a true heavy-duty machine.
And now, a big yellow bucket. It's like the final piece of a giant metal puzzle.
It is complete. The assembly is secure, and our blue roller has evolved into a powerful loader, ready for any challenge. Watch him roll away with pride. He's off to start a brand new day of hard work. What an incredible transfer! Welcome to our bright town square, where everyone is busy at work. Look at that hard-working orange loader go.
He is zooming around. Maybe he is looking for a secret treasure hidden in the fountain.
Oh dear, that was a big mistake. It looks like our little loader friend has taken an unexpected swim in the fountain.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
I bet he wanted to cool off his tires. Don't worry, here comes the red tow truck to the rescue.
That is exactly right. Teamwork is the best way to solve a problem.
Please
The
help
tow
me!
truck is preparing his hook now. He has to be very careful not to splash any more water. Precision is key when you are a professional tow truck.
He did it! With a mighty pull, the loader is back on dry land. Great job, partner!
It is wonderful to see them checking on each other. Even machines know that kindness makes the workday better.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now, here comes the blue dump truck carrying heavy stones. It looks like a big construction project is underway.
Watch him tilt that bed. Those rocks are perfectly placed right by the fountain's edge.
The site is clear now. Every vehicle has a specific job to do to keep our town beautiful and functional. Finally, the green cement mixer arrives. He is going to smooth everything out with his special concrete mix. Watch as he fills the fountain base perfectly. It is so satisfying to see the town square come back to life. Everything is sparkling once again. Thanks for joining our busy day in the town's square. Welcome to this peaceful, sun-drenched farm. It is a quiet morning, but something exciting is about to change this landscape forever.
Look, here come the big machines. Is that a giant yellow toaster on wheels, or is it a construction vehicle?
Actually, that is a steamroller, and its job is to smooth out the bumpy, muddy ground to make a sturdy foundation.
Now the dump truck is arriving with a heavy load of logs and cement. It is like a giant metal chef, delivering ingredients for a house.
Exactly right. With all those materials piled up, the team is finally ready to begin the real work of building. Watch closely as the cabin takes shape. Every beam and board is carefully placed to create a cozy, perfect shelter. The cabin is finished! It looks so sturdy and warm, sitting right there under the afternoon sun. Oh, look who decided to visit! A curious brown bear has come to inspect our hard work. What a wonderful way to end our... Look at that desert landscape, friends! Our yellow crane and green excavator are hard at work under the bright sun.
Whoa, did you see that? The crane is literally picking up Excavator. Is it going to fly away?
It isn't flying, silly. It is just repositioning to start the digging. See how the excavator lowers its arm to break the earth? is like a giant metal sculptor. Every scoop of sand is shaping the foundation for something truly special.
I bet it's digging for buried treasure, or maybe a giant pool.
Not quite treasure, but definitely something important. Precision is key here. The site must be perfectly level to hold a structure. The pit is complete. It is a perfect rectangle, carved right into the desert floor.
Here comes the heavy machinery. That blue truck is bringing the heavy-duty concrete we need.
Watch as the liquid concrete fills the void. This acts as the anchor, turning soft sand into a rock-solid base. With the foundation set, we are finally starting to see the walls rise. Progress is happening right before our eyes. The crane is back in action, lifting that telescope with such gentle precision. It's like watching a giant perform surgery. The telescope is perfectly placed. It's been an incredible day of engineering, and now this building is ready to reach for the stars. What an amazing project to witness together! Nature shows its true power today as a swirling storm gathers over this quiet western town.
Whoa, is that a giant vacuum cleaner in the sky? It's sucking up everything in sight.
Not quite, my friend. That is a tornado. But look, the sun returns, and our construction crew is ready to work. The cyan excavator is diving right into the mud. It is creating a sturdy foundation for something new.
Teamwork makes the dream work. They are hauling those massive logs to the edge of the water.
Exactly. They are methodically locking the timber into place to craft a beautiful wooden platform. Look at that! A cozy little house, standing tall right above the water's edge.
It even has a palm tree now. It looks like the perfect place for a vacation.
Oh no, the dark clouds are returning to claim the horizon. Nature is unpredictable, reminding us that even the most beautiful homes must face the storm. Stay safe, little house. Look at that bright red dump truck, moving through the city like a giant on a mission.
I bet he is delivering a massive supply of giant lollipops to the construction site.
Not quite, silly. That truck is hauling heavy rocks to help build a strong foundation for our new building. Watch closely as the bed tilts up, releasing a thunderous waterfall of stone into the deep pit. The dump truck is done, but here comes the blue cement mixer, rumbling in to join the work. The mixer begins to pour liquid concrete, filling the gaps between those heavy stones we saw earlier.
It looks like a giant blue milkshake machine, doesn't it?
It is actually a very precise process, ensuring the concrete flows evenly so the structure remains perfectly level. Oh dear, an orange bulldozer has arrived, but there is hardly any space left for it to maneuver. Everything has come to a grinding halt as they collide. Even the best construction sites need to watch their spacing. That is a wrap on our busy day at the site. Thanks for joining us. The city streets are alive today. Look at that green pickup cruising along, followed closely by the bright red fire truck.
And there goes a big yellow cement mixer. It's surely off to pour some heavy-duty concrete through a skyscraper.
Wait, what is that mysterious green pack falling onto the road? Oh dear, the cement mixer is heading straight for it! No! Goodness, what a blast! Thankfully, the industrial district remains busy, with forklifts and tow trucks working hard to keep things moving.
I bet the forklift is going to race the truck. Wait, no, it looks like it's stopping to help the damaged cement mixer.
That's right. Teamwork makes the dream work. The forklift is using a power tool to fix that wheel with such precision. With the repair complete, the truck rolls away smoothly. It's a job. Welcome to the yard, everyone. Look at that forklift go. It's a peaceful day at the factory, though our tractor friend seems to be just resting by the bricks.
Whoa, did you see that? The big silo just tumbled right into the earth. Is it a giant secret tunnel now?
Not quite, silly. That is Crater, and our hardworking tractor is heading over to see how it can help clean up the mess. Watch closely as the tractor uses its loader to scoop up all that broken debris. It's like a giant metal shovel.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The tractor is filling up the dump truck. I bet that truck is going to have a very heavy load.
You're right. That truck is driving with such purpose, carrying the rocks back to fill in the gap the silo left behind. Down they go. Watching that bed tilt and dump the rocks is so satisfying. It's almost like magic, seeing the hole disappear. And here comes the cement mixer. It's ready to pour a smooth foundation over the rocks to make everything level again.
It's like frosting a giant industrial cake. That concrete will make the ground strong and flat once it dries.
Finally, the road roller finishes the job, compacting the surface until it's perfectly smooth. A job well done by these mighty machines. We'll see you next time. Welcome to our beautiful sun-drenched farm, where the cows graze peacefully in the morning light.
Look at that teal truck. I bet it's heading off to go race some other trucks on a secret highway, right?
Not quite, my energetic friend. That truck is actually preparing for a very important job, keeping our crops hydrated. Watch closely as the water mist falls over the orchard. It is the lifeblood that helps these trees thrive.
Wow, did you see that? The trees are practically glowing with fresh, ripe fruit now. It's like magic.
Now the harvester enters the scene. This giant machine is built specifically to gather the bounty we've grown. It moves with such efficiency, shaking the branches gently so the harvest can finally come home.
Look at all that fruit tumbling down. I'm going to go down there and grab a snack. Catch you later.
Hold your horses, hungry! The tractor is here to collect it all safely. Farming is a team effort, and today we have successfully brought in a wonderful harvest. See you next time!